Point of view, here we go. I want to start capturing footage like from my helmet, like from a chin mount position. I didn't buy a custom chin mount. I probably will have to, but I'm going to try and just use the mount that came with the GoPro because it seems like it has like a slight curve to it. I don't know. We're going to try. How am I going to do this? This position is like the best point of view position. This isn't the exact same sort of like angle or whatever, but I'm gonna try it for today. It's scary because like failure means the GoPro falling. I should probably clean this with alcohol or something first, but I don't think I'm gonna. So I have to like imagine, do I want this down so it's more like this? It's gonna be like in my face. I actually don't think this is gonna work. All right, I'm going for it. I'm going for it. This might be dumb. Oh, it's not center. Can I peel it off? Nope. Point of view, here we go. I definitely could have thought this through more. I think it should be more up. We're rolling with it for the day. Sun's out. Let's go! Alright, that was an awesome cruise. Came home and realized I didn't have my wallet, which means I didn't have my registration, but then I was like, wait, my registration actually wasn't even in my wallet. It was in Justin's wallet. So even if I had my wallet, I wouldn't have had my registration. But I'm riding hot and dirty right now. I have an expired inspection sticker. I have to go get one of those in the morning. And I didn't even have my license on me. I'm like living my best life out here, but also like my dirtiest life. I know that wasn't like the most ideal views, but it was my first go at it and I'm kind of proud of it, definitely proud of it. But I'm gonna get a better chin mount situation going on. It's just like all gas tank, I know. What do you think of my new grips and stuff though? It's cool, right? They're nice. You like them? I like them. Cool. Thanks for watching. Have fun. Be safe.